See, this application is 2.4 GB and then available 1.6 GB. Okay, so total 4.4 GB is only they are providing to the user. They are advertising as 8 GB, but only 4.4 GB is providing. Out of that, 2.4 GB is already consumed by their own applications only. So even you cannot update anything. Okay, forget about installing new applications. And they are advertising that you can install thousands of applications. Forget about that. Even you cannot install even 10. It's very laggy. Their application itself is consumed 2.4. Now you see what are the application. There is nothing your own application. They are only limited to their application only. If you see Docubay, Epicon, Eros Now, Google Play, movies. So these all, I mean, the default Google Play, all these things, Netflix, MX Player, Prime Video. So all these Sony Live and Sony Next, Tata Play Binge, Booth, YouTube, G5. Even all these, even if you don't want to, like, let's say YouTube music at all, you want to install, you cannot install. It is coming by default. So their application itself, their own OS itself is consuming all these things 2.4 GB, and it's not allowing to update YouTube. Now YouTube is updated. I cannot see the latest versions of YouTube. I'll be in problem. I multiple times I complained and my request has been cancelled. They're not listening to this space issue. Okay, and many people has been complained against this space issue, and the OS is very laggy and nobody is listening to this. I would request, please take this as a serious concern against this Tata Play, and please consider this. Many people has complained, and you can Google and check. Okay, so nobody is listening to us. I would request, please consider this, please request, and I need my old Tata Sky set-top box back. Okay, thank you.